Crazy car, give me back my money.
Toys for you.
Hello there. Right now we are gonna play with a money bank car and we're gonna see how it works and we're gonna see what's inside of it. So let's check it out. First we are turning it on. Here is no music. Okay. Yep. Okay, kind of crazy. We're gonna stop the wheel beneath. Here goes the money. A very hungry car. And 50 euro is gone. Repairs. Here is an open door. And there you have access to what's inside. Okay guys, and right here if you have coins. Now let's see how it works. And the moment of the truth. Now let me see. Let me take a look. Okay. Here are the money. This wheel has to spin something. What we have here is pretty simple. Here guys, you see the electric engine. Here are some circuits and this wheel spins some blades right here. Also we have speakers and the wheel beneath and the battery pack. But let's open some more to see the blades that pull the money in. Almost there, last screw. Huh. And coming up, coming out actually. Why aren't you opening? And sliding really easy. So here is our answer. This wheel that you see here is spinning this tiny gear. Oopsie. Stay here. And it's kind of like, so basically the money comes like this. Okay guys, you have seen how this safe money bank works. Now let's put it back together. That was fun. Now let's check it out and see if it works. Sound okay? No sound please. And the wheel beneath is working. Let's check and see if it still drags the money inside. Yep. It works really nice. Oops, 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 oops. Sorry. I work better with card, with credit card. Oops. Looks like something is not working after all. I didn't get the door. Something is wrong here. Okay, let's see what's wrong. Looks like there was nothing wrong. Actually, it just wanted to be opened one more time. Take a look. Okay. Okay, having a hard time here with the camera. Guys, thank you so much for watching. See you shortly in the next one. And remember, comment and let us know what you want to see in the next episodes of What's Inside. Until then, see you in the next one.
Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.